Sachin. In the last tutorial, we have seen some Eureka client implementation as a product service. Similarly, we will create the crawler service now, and this crawler service will be acting as a Eureka client, and it will fetch the prices information from the external APIs. In the external APIs, in our terms, we will use this JSON. We will call this HTTP call, and we will get this JSON, and we will have manipulation with this data in the crawler service. So that's about the crawler service. So let's create this model. So this is the SpringBoot module, and we will be having 9001 port, and this is the name, and dependency we will need for this web and discovery client. So let's create this. Go to start.spring.io, go to this Gradle. Okay, this is the com dot for Java, and give this name product crawler, and this is the web, and this is the what Eureka discovery. This is the for clients, and when we will create the server, we will use this Eureka server. But currently we are dealing with the Eureka client only. Okay, generate. Okay, we got the template. Show in folder. Let me copy this. Okay, let me extract. Okay, product crawler. Let me import. Let me close this all stuff. Right click, import existing Gradle project. Next, then browse, then go to modules, crawler, then okay, next, finished. Okay, so we got this crawler module. So similarly, we will have some application.properties here. Go to source, main, resources. In the application.properties, no need to add. We will create the YML file. Application.yml file. Okay, let's copy the contents of the YML. Okay, so contents are same, only port is different, and register with Eureka 2, and this will be the Eureka server. Still we haven't created, but this will be the URL for the Eureka server on the 9002 port. We will see that in the next session. Okay, so that's about the Eureka properties, and here we are not dealing with any database, so no database properties. We need to deal with this. Now go to our Java. Okay, so here at enable Eureka client. So this enable Eureka client, it will go to this resource application YML, and it will register this client with this server. So that's about the use of this annotation. And also we will use that model mapper also here. Let's see. First create the endpoints. Go to this crawler, new, create the controller class. I am giving crawler controller, package name controller, finish. Okay, so this is our at REST controller, and mapping will be @ what is the endpoints I have given, crawlers. So I will give this at request mapping crawlers. So this is the namespace I have defined. Okay, first endpoint, crawl by product name. So this is the URL, so product and this product name. So let's create the mapping for this. @get mapping, and what it is returning me, product name, the single product crawl data it will return, and category name it will return multiple products crawls. So let me create that public. Crawl data. So I have also having that product crawl one pose here. I am giving that pose name as product crawl, and crawl by what is the endpoint for this, product name, so mapping for this product, and path variable as a product name. Okay, so that's about the, so I will return product crawl, so this product crawl I need to create this photo. This I will create one model package, finish. Let me copy paste this, product name and prices. Because product name and prices, why actually I have created like this, let me show you. Control Shift O. So product name and prices, so we have discussed we are going to fetch this data. So here product name is there, so this attribute I have used, and this prices. So in the prices it is the map of the what is the site name and what is the price on that site for this product. So this data integration I have created this product call. Okay, so let me return. So now I need the product BO, this crawler BO. So let me create the crawler BO, add AutoWire private crawler BO. Let me create this BO as an interface. Let me give this name as a BO package name. Okay, return this crawler BO dot, I will give the same name. Okay, so I need to create this method. Okay, now I need to create the implementation of this interface. Let me give IMPL package under view. Let me implements. Let me implement a method. Okay, so our method is okay. Let me give as component. Okay, so now we are adding one extra layer here as a service. So let me as auto wire. So we will have crawler service. From the view we will connect to the service. So this is the service interface I am creating. Finish. Okay, and let's create the implementation class of the service. So before that I will return this crawler service, this small crawler service dot. Okay, I will pass this product name. Okay, so let's add this method into interface. Sorry. Let me add. Okay. So that's about the. Let me add the service implementation. Dot IMPL. Let me give service as a stereotype. Just to implements. Okay, implements crawler service, import, implement the methods. Okay, now here we will call this this JSON, and we will get this information, and we will get that list of the product crawls. So to get that, I will say list of the product call, Control Shift O. List is equal to get product crawls. So it is just a simple method I am adding here. So it is completed. Okay, so I think I have added this implementation here. I will just copy paste. Okay, so here I am using this REST template. Let me import this REST template. Also, there is one scenario why I am not creating the bin of this REST template, and I am using the new operator because whenever we are dealing with some Eureka clients, that time this REST template having the at load balance scenario, so that time it will fail. So as of now, we will discuss that later, but as of now, just remember we are creating this REST template as a new, not as a bin in the application class, and import this response entity and HTTP method. This from Spring Framework and this also. Okay, so this will give me this data, this JSON data, and it will be getting casted to this list of the product crawls. So I am getting this list, and I need to check this data, this product name in this list, and I need to return that product crawl. So let me add that. Okay, so we are getting these crawls, and then we are checking in all the list, and when we are getting that, we are just setting to the product crawl and we are returning that things. So this is about the find the crawl data by the product name. And similarly, another second point we will implement. Second, we will pass the category and category name, and we will get all the data. So what I will do, go to this crawler controller. Just copy paste here, categories, products categories. Products categories, and here products point thing we have given. We use these products, and then for this product name. Okay, so we will have these crawlers. Then in the crawlers, products in that particular categories, for the category name, we will give these categories, and crawl by category name. So we will pass this category name. We need to create this method in the view. We need to add in the crawler view. Similarly, we will okay. I need to create this method in the service interface, implement in the service interface, implementation also. Okay, I will just need to iterate now in this. So I will just add. Okay, so here in the crawl by category name, previously it was product crawl, but actually we need a list of the product crawl. So I have changed this as a list of the product crawl, and same create product crawl. So what I will do, I will get all the data from this JSON. I will call this API. So this is the REST template call, and after getting that I will call this create product list. So what I will pass this category name and will go to this product list method, and this we will call this product service. This 9000 port we have created that product service. So I will pass this category name and it will give me the list of the products. So it's just calling this. Now main funda to use the Eureka clients and Eureka servers mechanism here, we will not need to hard code this URL. So here we will just pass the service name which is registered in the Eureka server, and automatically it will fetch that URL, and we will get the proper result. So that will be the main use of the Eureka server and Eureka clients. So for testing purpose, first we will test with this proper simple URL, and then after testing we will add the Eureka server client registered URL for this server, and we will test for this that also. So this is the REST template call, and okay, so here also I need to have list of the crawlers. So okay, so let's test this. Go to Jenkins. Okay, this our service is working, and go to Jenkins. Okay, we need to add the product crawler also. So to add this, go to new item, then what is the module name for that? Copy, and it will be on the which port? 9001. Style project. Okay, 9001. Okay, go to advanced, go to the directory of this product crawler, Control L, Control C, give the customer space directory, and execute sale. So what I will do, I will just copy from this. Okay, and here name should be the jar name. Okay, that's about the Jenkins. So I'll close this. Let me go to this product crawler. Let me build now. Let's say the console output. Okay, what is this? Okay, it is the same, I think. Execute sale, I think same issue. So what? chmod cd product crawler chmod 777 -r current directory. Let's hope. Okay, it's starting. Okay, it started. So let's test via Postman. What is the endpoint for that? Let me go to our document. Okay, first we will check for banana. let's check where banana. Okay, so we should get these prices. So 9,001. Yes, so you can see I am getting this eBay, Flipkart and Amazon. These are the prices for the banana. So I can give some apple. So here this service directly calling this, getting this name, product name and directly calling. But now when I will pass the category, that time it will fetch our product DB service, and from the product DB service it will fetch the how many products stored in the DB, and for every product again this will it will call this API and it will fetch the prices. So let me store in the microservices. So product crawler get by product. Okay, so this is the so another next service endpoint. Yeah, so this is the category name, so I will give book, and when I will pass this book, it will call this product DB service, like this URL it will get called. So in the code we will go, so it will get this category name, and from this it will call this API as this is the product, and after this it will get product list. So here for the category, here we will call this product service, will pass the category name here, and it will check that category name related products with this repository and fetch the prices, and we will get the product crawl list. So that's about the simple funda. Let me its fruits added. Okay, we were here, which is the gate. Yes, so I have passed book. So from here database it has fetched how many products for the book for Java and Spring. So these are the two products in the book category. It has fetched that information. So it means this is the working as per our REST point endpoints expectation. Okay, so now we will enable this as a Eureka. So I think we have added that Eureka client. Okay, this also we have added. So let's create the Eureka server in the next session, and let's integrate with the Eureka. Let's test with the Eureka, and just we will remove this localhost, and we will add that Eureka specific registered this service name here instead of this localhost and port. Okay, so that's about the Eureka clients. Also we have seen in as per the diagram. So we have created this product service and crawler service. Now next target is to create the Eureka server and register these clients in the Eureka servers. That's our next target. Thank you.